Forecast for the price of SOL in 2023. The speeds of transactions on the Solana network, as well as the percentage of those transactions that are successful, are nevertheless comparable to those of a number of its competitors. According to SolScan, the success rate of Solana's transactions has fairly remained over 75% in the bulk of the situations. This is the case for the majority of the transactions. This is especially relevant in view of the fact that Solana's network is currently extremely congested. If the Solana price forecast is successful in navigating the obstacles of the cryptoverse while also resolving the problems with consensus, then it will be a game changer. There is a possibility that the price of SOL will go up to at least $36.87. On the other hand, the price can end up being $22.18 if the asset continues to be susceptible to inflation and various other types of pressure. The price might eventually settle at $29.68 if there is a healthy equilibrium between the forces of purchasing and selling. Price forecast for the Solana coin in 2024. It is possible that Solana will entice a large number of projects to be developed on its network by the end of the year 2024, while simultaneously encouraging the development of NFTs. In such a situation, the growing number of users may potentially drive up the SOL price to a maximum of $61.22 per share. Despite this, new competitors and increased levels of competition may cause the price to remain unchanged at $36.59. Having said that, the standard price might settle at $44.31 as its starting point. Forecast of the price of Solana in 2025. It is possible that Solana will become a new competitor for existing cryptocurrencies on the market if it supports fresher and more incoming startup businesses. In the coming years, there is also the possibility that Solana will outgrow Ethereum. If this occurs, substantial highs for Solana could be reached. According to this information, the most likely outcome for the price of Solana is for it to reach $86.97. The introduction of new rules in the not-too-distant future may have an impact on price movements, hence, a potential bottom for SOL may be close at hand. If something like this takes place, there is a chance that the price of SOL may slip to $54.92 by the time 2025 is over. Taking into account both the optimistic and the bearish price targets, the price may settle around $70.54 on average. Price of a Solana coin in 2026. According to the projections of our team of market researchers, the price of Solana crypto might range anywhere from $73.66 to $107.26 in the year 2026, with an average value of approximately $91.06. Predictions for the price of SOL in 2027. Our team of econometricians has come to the conclusion that the price of Solana in the year 2027 might range anywhere from $92.81 to $129.54, with the average price of Solana being somewhere around $111.72. The price of the Solana cryptocurrency in the year 2028 is anticipated by our research team to fall somewhere in the range of $114.26 and $162.81, with an anticipated mean value of approximately $138.32 per SOL. Predictions for the price of SOL in 2029. Our team of econometricians has come to the conclusion that the value of one Solana coin in 2029 might range anywhere from $142.35 to $202.46, with an average value of approximately $171.94. Predictions for the price of Solana in the year 2030. Based on the findings of our team of econometricians, the price of a single Solana coin in the year 2030 may range anywhere from $186.91 to $247.13, with an average price of approximately $217.44. The price forecast provided by Coinpedia for Solana. The participation of Solana in DeFi can cause prices to move in an upward direction. It is possible that it will focus on certain collaborations in order to connect its assets to DeFi. Additionally, the possibility exists that its delegated staking will entice a great number of new investors. According to the projections that Coinpedia has developed for the price of Solana, it is possible that the price will increase to $36.87 in the year 2023. On the other hand, if the network delays the implementations in the beta version of its mainnet, then this could be a problem. By the time 2023 comes to a close, the price of SOL may have dropped as low as $22.18. Historical market sentiment for the Solana SOL coin for the years 2020 and 2021. On the 10th of April, Solana started its journey across the desert with a trade value of 79 cents. After reaching a low of 52 cents, the price began to recover and reached a high of 99 cents by the end of June. By the middle of July, it had reached $1.33. By the middle of August, the price of SOL had climbed to $3.77, but by the month's end, it had dropped to $2.82. The price of SOL reached its all-time high of $4.84 by the beginning of September. However, the price began to decline beginning in October. The turmoil caused the digital assets yearly trade to end at $1.50, which was the closing price. The price of SOL launched for business in January at $1.60, and after a euphoric run, it had reached $10 by the middle of February. As recently as the month of April, the price was fluctuating somewhere between $40 and $50. By May, the price had increased by almost $50 to reach its all-time high of $58.30. However, a widespread market crisis caused the price to fall by half. SOL was able to beat its all-time high price of $191.04 by the end of the month in August because to the momentum provided by NFTs. Nevertheless, a distributed denial of service attack in September drove the price down to $132.13. On November 6, the price of SOL accelerated to a new all-time high of $260.06. The annual trade was closed at a value of $178.80 as a result of persistent DDoS attacks. In the last 10 days, the value of Bitcoin